These two natural drinks are like a fat-blasting dryer for your belly, easy to make, powerful, and 100% natural. And at the end of the video, I've got a free gift that will take your results to the next level. Hey there, I'm Megan, and today I'm going to share 2 exclusive fat-burning recipes that help reduce bloating, kickstart your metabolism, and melt belly fat in a natural, healthy way. Follow this for just 7 days and you'll see the difference in the mirror. Recipe 1, Belly Melt Smoothie. This one's powerful, functional, and perfect to start your morning right. Ingredients: 4 soaked almonds, soaked for 8 hours, then drained, quarter of a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon soaked golden flaxseed, soaked for 4 hours, then drained, 1 glass of fresh coconut water, ice to taste. How to prepare it: blend everything until it's smooth and creamy, no straining needed. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, a powerful internal cleanse for your belly. Recipe 2, Calorie Burner Juice. This one's perfect before your workout or anytime you need a clean energy boost. Ingredients: 1 small cucumber, 2 medium carrots, I/2 apple, I/2 cup of water, cress leaves, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 150 ml of water or coconut water, ice, optional. How to prepare it: blend all ingredients until smooth, and again, no straining necessary. This drink is high in fiber and loaded with vitamins. Thanks to the coconut oil, it has a mild thermogenic effect that helps boost fat burning, perfect as a natural pre-workout or between meals. Why these two are so effective: fight bloating and water retention, activate fat burning, naturally improve digestion and gut health, boost energy with 0 processed ingredients. And the best part, you can find all the ingredients at your local grocery store, nothing complicated or artificial. And like I promised, check the first pinned comment for your free ebook with a complete natural meal plan to speed up your results even more. Don't miss it. Love these recipes? Then hit that like button, share it with someone who's ready to flatten their belly naturally, and tell me in the comments which one are you trying first, Belly Melt or Calorie Burner. And of course, subscribe to the channel because every week we bring you natural recipes that actually work. See you in the next video. Bye.